Hey guys, welcome back to Dumb Shit with Jack. Today we got a microwave out on the top. Would you look at that? And we're gonna hit it with some objects. Plank of wood. Definitely the Dragon Slayer from Berserk, 100%. Definitely real. And a sledgehammer. And we're gonna throw a brick at it. So yeah, I suppose we should get this shit started. Let's find a spot to plop the camera. Decent. Can you see it from there? Ish. Good enough. It's good enough. Microwave. What can I say? Other than microwave. We're gonna first drop it though, because why the fuck not? So, some good dentage right there. It's bent out of shape. That's pretty cool. That's a Dragon Slayer one. Now let's hit it with a board. That's the sledgehammer. We broke the board, let's go. Brick time. So, this is damage we've got so far. Is this still attached? Oh, it is. Just get a stick as well. Stick in the microwave. That's it so far. Okay, you can see it. Oh my god, that absolutely folded. That was just one hit. Didn't expect it to do quite that much damage. Bro, it's dead. There we are. Anyway. Oh, that's cool. Give me the door. There we are. We got the door. That's pretty cool. This bit came off. We got the fucking circuits and shit. That's pretty cool. Don't know if this still work. Would it work? Do you reckon? I reckon if we had some toothpaste. The roof is actually like mega caved in there. There we are. That's inside. That bit's come off. That's cool. Don't even know what that's from. It's off a bit, but what bit I don't know. Yeah, stab it. Yeah. We got the bent arse plug. I don't think that'll plug in, and just the microwave in general is a bit squished. So yeah, I'm gonna probably call that. That was fun. Brick.